Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming permissions and launching Genmoji so you can record expressive stickers immediately. Once the app is open, make sure camera and mic access are allowed. Without them, recording won't work. If you plan to use the Genmoji keyboard, enable it and grant full access in settings. Then sign in with your account. Once signed in, tap New Emoji to begin capturing. This begins the capture workflow and gets you straight into the creative steps. You'll now capture and shape the emoji so it feels like you. First, position your iPhone 14 Pro Max with the front camera, use natural light, and keep a plain background for better tracking. Tap record or take a still, then use the trim and speed controls to tighten timing. This is where you craft the expression. Next, apply stickers and tweak auto-tracking to lock features. Once done, preview the animation to confirm timing and facial alignment. Finish by exporting and sharing your Genmoji with the right format and destination. You'll choose sticker, GIF, or video, set resolution and whether it loops, then save or send via messages or the Genmoji keyboard. Make sure the app has photos and keyboard permissions first. If export options are missing, force quit and reopen the app. And if tracking drifts, clean the front camera, toggle camera permissions in settings, and restart the iPhone. That usually resolves alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.